week in World 1, only on CNN. Hit the streets with CNN Go. A brand new monthly show, giving you an insider's view to some of the world's most dynamic cities. First up, Shanghai. It's an amazing place. Go beyond what any guidebook will show you. CNN Go. Thursday, only on CNN. In association with Korean Air.
Welcome back. I'm standing in front of a Hong Kong landmark, the Victoria Harbour. It still attracts visitors, but it has its own share of problems. At the top of the list, pollution. For our next story, we go to another famous port and look at what was done to clean it up.
The Port of Los Angeles is the largest container port in the United States. So no matter where you live in the United States, you have things that you wear in your home that came through our port complex.
I would say about a decade ago, the ports weren't even acknowledging that they created an air pollution problem for local residents. We've seen higher rates of childhood asthma, cancer clusters, premature deaths linked to diesel pollution that's created by all the ships and trucks and trains and that visit our ports daily. They actually produce more smog-forming pollution than all 6 million cars in the nation.
When all of a sudden it was shown that we could be affecting human health, that's when the whole thing changed. That's when expansion at this port came to a grinding halt. We realized we're going to have to eliminate health risk of port operations on the community.
And ever since that time, I think the port and NRDC have been able to move together more collaboratively in trying to address the air pollution problem there.
A ship that sits at the berth spews out a ton of emissions a day. If we hook up to shoreside electrical power, there's a huge savings in emissions for the local community. We have reduced the emissions from trucks coming in and out
Can you
of
close
this
it
port
now?
by 80%.
Come on.
So what is the
Close
truck in
it.
the future? It's an all-electric truck with enough battery life that it can operate in port drayage and not be